It's Saturday morning at Michigas in Three Oaks, Michigan. And it's raining and it's pouring and the old man is snoring.
Snoring? No, we're away.
going out to breakfast. To Viola's or Viola's? I don't know. It's either Viola or Viola.
We got a weekend.
We got a weekend as a gift from Donna, Michelle's Aunt Donna, to stay at her wonderful property in Three Oaks, Michigan. And since it was my birthday 2 days ago, we've invited my family to come up. And it initially was a barbecue. But then when we heard what the weather was going to be like, we decided to make it inside and cook some comfort food.
I love that we're on Cation so much. I say Cation because it's Cation this summer. It's been such a good summer, hasn't it? Just like so much vacation time. This is why you want to be an academic. Because academics have such a flexible schedule, don't they, Alice?
Yep.
And now she's in academia, which means she is flexible. No more working weekends. No more working weekends. No more working weekends until she gets her part-time job. No part-time job that works weekends, okay? All right. So do you think we got enough food?
Yeah.
Oh, she's already pigging in. Wait. We got a malted waffle, biscuits and gravy, and let's not forget this. I thought this was going to be a telescope, but it's a kaleidoscope. Look inside. Can you turn it out? Ooh. Wow, keep going. Awesome. Neat. And this is what we do at Michigas. All the dogs want to be by Alice, and Alice is reading a book. And what book are you reading, Alice?
A Dog's Purpose.
Quite appropriate, given that you're surrounded by dogs. Chewy's meeting Bela. This is so cute.
Oh, are they cute?
They're like, well,
kissing.
They're cousins.
And
I guess
not
they're like
even
first
smelling
cousins.
each other's tushes. They're doing a kiss. That's rare.
Hi, Donna.
Hi, baby. So hi. I love this weather.
This is so cute. Look at how cute they are.
Well, they said one, but that means two.
Yeah, do you have a new friend? Do you have a new friend?
So who else is sleeping here?
We don't know yet.
Okay.
We'll be.
Because I have the airbed in my
Hi, baby.
I just love looking at them. They're so cute together.
Oh my God, are they cute?
They're so cute.
Oh God, those are three great dogs. Oh, they're playful. They like to play. Look
Bela's like,
happy.
oh yeah. Do you want to pick a blueberry?
No.
Let's go pick a blueberry. See? Blueberries. You just grab the big, nice blue ones.
Can I eat one?
Yeah, if they're blue.
I don't want to take all of them. There's not many.
There's tons of bushes here. Alice has been here 7 years and has never gone blueberry picking.
She's got blackberries and raspberries. Oh my God! Look at that blackberry.
I hope it's a real blackberry. Everybody showed up and we're playing games with Mary and Jayla. They're playing a matching game. There's food going on at the table. There's cooking going on in the kitchen. Someone's in the kitchen cooking with Alice. Something like that. The dogs are eating. Did you enjoy your dinner, Sky? Are you enjoying your dinner, Chewy? Rob's here. Hi, Rob. Howdy. And let's see, we got Elsie and Jenny.
Hi.
And Dylan. Hi, Dylan. And Grandpa. And Grandma. Hey, Mom. Say hi. And Jessica's learning to cook pierogi. The famous Blintz souffle. This one has apple and cherry blintzes in it, and this one has all cheese blintzes in it.
They're really hot.
And can I tell you that Jessie made pierogi? Delicious.
Hot.
Hot. That's all he can say.
They're super hot.
Hot. Oh, he's talking to Jayla.
Let that
Hot.
cool down.
Look at that. That's a good birthday. That's my family. Gosh, I love them. And they're so great. It's so pretty here. Just love it. Look at them. All the colors. So awesome.
All I know is let it go.
That's most of it.
Yeah, come here.
Yeah, sing it with Grandma. You guys can sing it together.
Teach her how to sing. Teach her how to sing.
She doesn't know the words. Yeah.
Do you know the words, Mary?
Go teach Grandma. Tell Grandma how to sing it.
Okay. All right, look at the camera.
No. That's okay.
Oh, let it go.
Let it go. Who else knows it?
Let it go.
Go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Don't get me.
Let it go. More.
Let it go.
Let it go.
And bye bye, let's go. Move them back. Move them back.
Back.
And bye bye, let's go. Move them back. All to the town.
Yeah.
The people on the bus go up and down. Up and down. Up and down. The people on the bus go up and down. And lift another pot.
What?
And then the baby on the bus is crying.
Michelle's with your heads up.
Oh.
First time ever.
Nay. Ba.
Lamb, sheep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Spiky animal.
Spiky animal.
Porcupine. Right.
Yes.
Yes. Come on, quick, Michelle. Sorry.
Soar like a.
She's so chill.
The
Or like
American bird.
A bird.
American.
An eagle.
Yes. I'll watch you like a.
Of a
I'll watch you like a.
hawk.
Yep. Little critter.
Not a hamster.
Not a hamster, but a.
Gerbil.
Yeah. Two front teeth are really big. It's an animal. Two front teeth are really big.
Rabbit.
No.
No, they run in the ground and they.
Bucky.
Bucky. Bucky.
They make dams on rivers.
Beaver.
Yes.
Sorry.
These ones eat.
Time's up.
Time's up.
I'll think.
Okay. Did you
Ready?
Okay, ready?
1, 2.
Happy
Birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Alice. Happy birthday to you, and many more.
How old are you? Did you make a wish?
Yay.
None of your lights stayed on. They all went on at the same time.
None of your lights stayed on.
Is that good luck or bad luck?
Did you make a good wish?
Full of hot air.
Yeah, she's
Make
full
a
of hot
good
air.
wish?
Did you remember to make a wish this time?
No.
Oh my gosh, again?
Oh, we gotta.
She didn't make a wish on her birthday either.
Just
You gotta
lick
make
the
a
candles
wish.
as you pull.
On her birthday, she forgot to say a wish as well.
Yeah. And
Jeez,
you know
Mom,
what?
you're just messing it up left and right here.
You're gonna no.
What's up with
Okay,
that?
What's up with that?
She wished. Okay.
I was gonna sing what we sing in Polish.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. 100 lat, 100 lat, niech żyje, żyje nas. 100 lat, 100 lat, niech żyje, żyje nas. That's all I know.
Lascione profeti se dali.
All right.
Anybody else? Irish.
Elsie?
Elsie.
Another language?
Oh.
Happy birthday in Irish?
Jenny?
They speak English. May the road rise up to meet you. May the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face and rains fall soft upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand. A side of Chewy we never see. She's so tired. Hi.
She can't even keep her head up.
She can't even keep her head up. I love it.
Poor Chewy.
We need to wear her out like this more often. We need to be out in nature.
Mom,